Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. Welcome to the 2026 Go Reading Workshop Series. Now we're going to be doing a whole bunch of problems involving reading for the Foundations of Reading and Reading Specialist exams. I want you to use these videos to make this a game, have fun, and get better to pass these exams. Let's just jump right in with our first set of problems. Let's go. Let's look at this a little bit closer, thinking about the relationship between sounds and letters in print, okay? So let's write out the word ship. If a child is able to take this and be able to read these letters and match them up with their corresponding sounds, and they're able to be like sh, it, and then be able to sound it out. They're able to hear all three sounds, and they're able to hear that there's a sh, an I, and a p, right? If they're able to get all that right there, then we could say they successfully decoded the word ship, right? And then vice versa, that would be decoding. I'll put a D here for decoding. And if they're able to take those sounds in oral language, so be able to take that word ship in oral language and match it up with its correct spelling patterns, well, then we would say that is encoding. I'll put an E here for encode. So we think about decoding and encoding. They're sort of using the same tools, just in reverse, right? All right, team, I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, share it with a friend. Maybe check out a GOHacademy workshop. You can go to GOHacademy.com at www.GOHacademy.com. You can see all our live classes that are coming up. You know, one nice thing about the live classes is we cover the material in real time, and then you're able to go back and you're able to study it and listen to it again. So I encourage you, if you need extra help, check out a workshop. You know, I'm sure you'll find them very helpful. All right, team, everyone have a wonderful day. Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.